Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to Mathematics NEPH YouTube channel where we solve all problems on maths covering a wide areas of topics. Alright, so I'm your tutor Mr. Opuki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of this channel to students out there struggling or working towards improving their math skills. So let's look at this problem on calculus. Is actually on integration. All right, so we have the integral of this integrand sine 3x, with respect to what x. So how do we solve this problem? Now the first thing you want to remember is what? Your standard what? Integral. For our standard integral, we have, if you have sine x dx, okay? So the integral of sine x dx is simply, we have, since we are working on sine, so we have negative what? Cos x plus what? C. Okay? So for we to be able to solve this, you can as well say, we represent 3x with our u. Okay? So if this is like u, so which I have like sine what? U, the u is going to be negative what? We have cos u plus what? C. So since I've been able to say that my u is equals to what? We have 3x. Now what I want to do is I want to solve for what? Okay, the x in terms of the u. So we are going to have, all right, our du over the x is going to be this as a power of 1, so 1 times 3, so 1 times what? 3x, we have 1 minus 1, right? So all that is going to give us, so 1 times 3 is 3, this is x to the power of 0, so we have 3x to the power of 0, which is still like saying 3 times 1, so 3 times 1. Applying your principle of what? Indices or exponents. So that x to the power of 0 is 1, so 3 times 1 is still 3. So now that we know that our du, the x is equals 3, so we can solve for the x here by solving or making the x subjects here. So all I need to do is I'm going to cross multiply. So our du is equals 3 multiplied by x. Now divide it by 3, divided by 3. This will cancel out this, so my dx is equals to what? Du over what? 3. So with this, we can now what? Solve this by writing it in this form. So we have, sine, we have sine u, okay? Our dx is what? Du over 3, so we have du over what? 3. So at this point, we can, bring out, this 3 as what? A constant. Now, what do I mean? Now, this can simply be written as sine u over 3 du. You see that? Okay. Because if I put this over 1, so we can say, 3 times 1 here is what? 3. So we have it in this form. All right. Now, from this, we can as well, write it in this form. Right? So 1/3 times sine u is still this. And finally, one more form is we can bring this out as a constant. So we have 1/3 integral of, we have sine u multiplied by what? Du. Now, what can you realize? You can realize that we'll be able to develop this. All right? So this becomes, we have to attach this to this. Okay? So that will give us what we have, our what? 1/3 multiply. Now all this, remember, is this, so we have minus cos what? Okay, we have u, okay, plus we have c, okay. So with this, we can now what? Substitute back. We don't want to keep it in terms of u, we want to keep it in terms of what? X. And remember, when we started initially, we have that our u is equals to what? 3x. So we want to write this. So this is 1/3 multiplied, this is minus 1. So it is minus 1/3. So we have cos, our u is equals to what? We have 3x. So plus, you always have to put your constant. So this gives us the solution to this question. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.